Just saying, the beauty of a one-step plan is its simplicity. As soon as you add a step 2...
Tell you what, think of this as step 1 of a completely different task, returning the armor.
Works for me. This looks like it's gotta be the place.
Oh. Yep, readings show orb power is normalizing. And we've got retro rift activity. Everything's switching back. I think we did it, team.
Are we sure?
I know one way to find out. You're good to glow.
Elemental powers flow! Yeah!
I'm glad you decided to just go ahead and use my invite.
Yeah, I think I was getting a bit ugly and selfish about it. After all, a party's a party.
And now that Magmion knows about Earth, we better enjoy some good times while we still can.
That's the spirit. Well, we'll catch you later.
Come on already! We've got a mega monster movie to see! Let's go!
Huh?
Guys, wait up! I know where I want to be included.